And now, a special baking demonstration from the kitchen of the Millennium Falcon. For this May the 4th be with you activity, we're going to be making lightsabers. All you need are pretzel rods, baking chips, and food coloring if the baking chips are white. I was able to find some blue baking chips for Luke Skywalker's lightsaber, but then I'll be using the red food coloring for Darth Vader's lightsaber. Let's see step by step how to make these. First, place a handful of baking chips in a microwave-safe bowl. From there, heat them 10 seconds at a time, stirring after each time. After about a minute or so, they should soften up, and here's what the candy looks like once it's melted. From there, cover the bottom 2/3 of the pretzel with the melted baking chips. Go ahead then, place them on either wax paper, or if you don't have that, then just a plate will do. This is what your first lightsaber should look like. Then you'll repeat the process with the other baking chips. I put the food coloring in after the baking chips were slightly melted because it was a gel food coloring, and I used probably 3 to 4 drops to get it to the desired color. And there you have it. Now let's see who wins this lightsaber battle.